in the game just to get my fatty. And these lazy ain't got competition. It's me versus me, love Key Talk.
Welcome back to Key Talk Media. This your host, Key Talk. Check it out, man. All right. Hey, man, quick announcement before the video actually gets started. Listen, we got to work as a team and work together. And as a team and working together, we have to work on getting the likes up. You know what I'm talking about? There's no way that there should be like 500 views and then 40 likes. You know what I'm talking about? Everybody just hit the like button. Literally takes 2 seconds. And we are a team working at this together, right? Anyways, now, oh, yeah, also, somebody said something about a Benzino neck. Never. No, I'm talking about no Benzino neck over here. You dig? Shout out Benzino, though. You know what I'm talking about? But anyways, listen, man. I told y'all yesterday that boy, Lil Woody, YSL Woody, who we know is the captain of the SNiTCH team. You know what I'm talking about? The veteran snitch that been snitching for like 10 years straight on Young Thug now, right? Now, with all that being said, YSL Woody had to take the stand today. And what do y'all think he did? Do y'all think he snitched or y'all think he held it down? Well, YSL Woody took the stand and he actually tried to plead the fifth. He actually tried to hold it down, but the judge looked at him like, hold up. Listen here now, Woody, you've already agreed to tell us some of the stuff that we want to know, and we said we're going to give you immunity because YSL Woody was like, listen, I'm pleading the fifth because I don't want to tell and get myself in trouble over some crimes that done happen, right? So I don't know, why would I tell y'all something knowing that I'm going to get in trouble? It's almost as if he doesn't understand what the immunity paperwork is that he actually signed, or he's just trying to play dumb to buy himself some time. Just like one of the other dudes tried to play dumb and buy himself some time, but ended up having to tell anyways and give up information, right? Which is the same thing that'll more than likely happen to YSL Woody. So yes, he did take the stand, trying to plead the fifth, but the judge let him know, hey, listen, man, if you don't tell us we want to know, you will be going to jail. I will be jailing you. They're going to ask me to jail you. The defense, the prosecutor's going to ask me to jail you, and that's what I'm going to do because you signed this paperwork for the immunity, and yeah, you got a Fifth Amendment right, but this immunity deletes that away. So you either tell us what we ask you, or you're going to be going to jail, in which he agreed to go ahead and just testify. Hold up. I'm going to actually play the video for y'all. Here it goes right here.
The state is basically, knowing that you have a Fifth Amendment privilege, says, okay, we acknowledge that. We're going to give you immunity. And as a result of that, then you have to testify as a result of that. If you don't testify, then I, as the judge in this case, have several remedies. One of those is that I could hold you in contempt and jail you because the way that you get out of that contempt is to just testify. That's the only thing they wanted in this case for you to testify. So your attorneys told me you're going to invoke your Fifth Amendment privilege. Done, said. However, the immunity has been signed. I have a copy of that right now. So you're required to testify. So, if you don't testify, the state's probably going to ask me to jail you. And I'm probably going to do that. So, I'd like you to go ahead out and talk with your lawyer and tell me what you want to do at that point in time, okay?
Do you need any more time to talk, Mr. Copeland? Okay. What is your desire at this time?
I'm taking the fifth.
Okay, you've taken the fifth, but you've got immunity, but you still want to, are you going to testify? That's the thing.
That's the question.
That's the question on the floor. I've acknowledged the fact you have a Fifth Amendment privilege, but the state's given you immunity, so that overrides that Fifth Amendment privilege. They require you to testify.
Yeah, but the state don't know what they're talking about. So they ask me a question that implicate me, then...
Okay, they can't prosecute you on that. They can't. The order prohibits them from allowing them to use that testimony against you. That's what your lawyer, and I'm not going to get into any of the machinations or intricacies of what may or may not have happened in this case, but Mr. Melnick is a very seasoned criminal defense attorney. I've seen him over the past 2 decades. I'm sure that he's probably given you very, very good advice, but the state can't use that testimony. They can't kind of say, have it both ways, like you testify and then use that against you to indict you and prosecute you. Then we wouldn't have any faith that we need to have people come in and give testimony. So that's why they can't do that. They kind of can't go back on what they're going to tell you, So I signed the order. Now they've asked for immunity. I've signed the order. So basically, whatever you have to tell us, you tell us.
Say no more.
Do you wish to testify, Mr. Copeland? Is that no? You have to say no on the record.
Say it again.
Do you wish to testify?
He said I can tell him whatever I got to tell him.
That's
So
right.
I testify.
You will testify.
Yeah.
All right, sir. Okay. The state has.
Anyways, now, after seeing the video, you can definitely see that, hey, listen, man, Buddy probably up there nervous than a mother, you know what I'm talking about? Because this ain't like when we heard him snitching where he was just pretty much snitching inside the interrogation room with nobody else around him. Now, he has the snitch in front of Young Thug looking eye to eye, and I can just imagine Young Thug sitting there like this, just looking at him, you know what I'm talking about? Just Young Thug probably looking at him like, nigga, you gonna snitch on me, you know what I'm talking about? All that, you know what I'm talking about? All that stuff, that family stuff, we not talking about it. You just gonna sit there and just snitch on me? I ain't with that, you know what I'm talking about? Now, here's the thing about it, right? YSL Woody, he thought he was going to be able to just snitch inside a piece, right? And when I say snitch in peace, I mean like snitch behind closed doors. But now them doors open and he in front row and got to do some snitching. Do I think he's going to end up do some telling and snitching? Yes. Do I think the entire time he's doing it, he's going to be trying to like do some trickery around it? Yes. Do I think he really do want to snitch? I don't know. That's hard to say because he did it in private. And now it just, when it's kind of public, you don't really want to, you know what I'm talking about? But like I say, man, we just going to have to see how it goes. And I'm definitely going to keep y'all updated on it all. But this is definitely a witness that, you know, will either get himself in trouble by not snitching again or get Young Thug in more trouble because they were so close like this, and he knows a lot of information that could definitely hurt Young Thug that he's already previously said, but now he just got to say it in front of Young Thug, which could be the hardest thing for him to do because now all eyes are on him. People was already calling him a snitch, but he's still been able to walk around and do whatever he wanted to do, but now all eyes is on him. And if he do it in front of Young Thug, it could be anyways. Let me know something. Comment down below. Let me know what you think about this entire ordeal. I'm out.